Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to extract numbers from data. Like this, you have a data and in which text and numbers are returned, and dosto, if you select this data and you go to data and then text to column field, then you will not be able to get these numbers, because if we select next and then if we this divide this data and use these separators, even then we cannot get the data in a desired format, because you can see that the data will be extracted, but it will not be in a proper format. Like you are seeing that still the some numbers are there and you are not able to get the data in a correct format. So friends, how to get this data? So friends, there is a formula which you can use, which is trim functions. So I will give this formula below the video description, so you can check this formula. So friends, now the data is there, but still there is cr that is written with this. So you can do control C and then you can right click and go to paste special, and then since this is a formula that is there, so you can do with values. Once that is okay, then now there is no formula. So what we will do, we will replace this. We will select this series and we will do control F, and we will find CR and replace with will be left blank, so replace all, and okay. So now you can see friends, the data is cleaned up and you can do desired operation on this data. So friends, in this way you can perform your functions. Still the data is in text format, so you have to convert into a number. So you will convert into a number, and you can this use convert to number feature, and now the data is there and the total is also being done. So in this way friends, you can do and use these functions. I am giving this formula below the video description. Please like and share this video so that all others can use this formula and can take benefit from it. For regular update, please subscribe to CS of Basing YouTube channel.